Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Devices on the same Wi-Fi and software updated, because mismatched versions break discovery. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is on when using initial pairing. Next, on iPhone or iPad, open Control Center with a swipe. On Mac, click the Airplay icon in the menu bar. These are the first actionable steps you take to expose the screen mirroring option. Do them now so the receiver appears in the next step. Once the receiver shows up, tap or click it to start the connection. You will often see a one-time code. Enter it on your source device to verify security. On Mac, choose Mirror Display or use the Airplay menu to pick scaled resolutions. This matters because matching resolutions avoids cropping and lag. Make sure audio routes to the TV if you want sound, and use the receiver's display settings to tweak aspect ratio and orientation, since those influence clarity and cropping. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or the Mac Airplay icon and choose Disconnect. This cleanly releases the stream. If you notice lag, stutter, or dropouts, move devices closer to the router, use the 5 GHz band and close bandwidth heavy apps. These steps reduce interference. If nothing connects, restart the source and receiver, toggle Wi-Fi, and check for VPN or firewall rules that might block AirPlay. Doing that resolves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.